Hello, my name is Rosibel Hernández Delgado. I am 47 years old. I was born in Palmira Valle, but I live in Bogota. I am a student of Systems Engineering program, and I also work as an office employee. My parents live in Cali. I would like to share more time with them because they are senior people and they live alone. I don't have children and I live alone too. One of my favorite beverages is chocolate. I have chocolate in my breakfast almost every day. I like it so much. It's one of the reasons to have chosen La Puerta Falsa restaurant to talk about it. It's a place in downtown Bogota, near to Plaza de Bolívar Square. It's said it's the oldest business in Colombia, not only the most antique restaurant. It was founded in 1816, as you can see in this picture. This wall and this tower are from Bogota Cathedral. So it's more than 2 centuries old. It's not too big. There is a bar with seats and a mezzanine with some tables and banks made of food. You can say it's more a coffee shop than a restaurant, but they also serve typical food. But I must confess, I haven't tasted the salt plates. I prefer sweet. Some people say their most traditional meal are tamales, but for me, it's chocolate with bread and almojábana and cheese, as you can see in this picture. But they also sell typical Colombian candies, as cocadas and fig and many other fruits in syrup. The service is kind because they have the touch of a family business, a 200 years family business. I hope you are interested in visiting it when you have the opportunity to be in downtown Bogota. Thanks a lot.